Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Discovery mild hybrid DynamicSE, which is a D250 in Carpathian Grey. You have a 21-inch gloss dark grey with a diamond turned finish, a powered tailgate. There you can see your mats ready to go in the vehicle, and plenty of space, including 2 extra seats for bigger families or extra passengers. And you can close it using that button or the one on your key. And continuing around the car and going into the back. You have ISOFIX features on either side, which is perfect for families, and a fixed panoramic roof, great for letting in more light. And going into the front, you also have keyless entry. Our dynamic tread plates and a gorgeous leather interior, which is definitely easier to clean than cloth. An opening panoramic roof at the front also, which is great for letting in more light and nice to open on a sunny day and get a bit of fresh air. If you pull this out, you can control the fan, push it back in and you can control the temperature, and push it in again and you can turn on your heated seat, which is a real luxury, especially in winter. Touchscreen with different functions, including eco data, which tells you how well the car's being driven, for example if you're braking too hard. 3D surround camera, which is perfect for reversing and parking, along with an off-road option and a towing option. Sat nav, which is ideal if you're ever in an area you're not familiar with. And Bluetooth to connect your phone, along with media, including DAB radio. Controls on your wheel with a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, all handy when driving along the motorway. Along with a heated steering wheel, which again is luxury in winter. Memory seats, which is handy if there's several people driving the vehicle, and a Meridian sound system. As I said, this car is brand new, therefore it's only done 23 miles. And you also have wireless charging, which is great if you're ever out on long journeys to keep your phone charged. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a gorgeous Discovery. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.